How to buy Steam Point with Gcash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Steam Points with Gcash. So first of all, just open your Steam website, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top and click on your account details. And here just click on add funds to your Steam wallet. And now you will have all these options and funds that you can add in your Steam wallet. So just select any of the fund that you would want to add in your Steam wallet. And after that, just click on add funds. So in order to buy Steam points, you need to have some funds in your account, and just log into your account. And after that, in the payment method section, just click on the drop down menu, and from here just select Gcash. And after that, it will redirect you to the page where you have to make the payment from your Gcash account. So for that, just open your Gcash account, and after that just scan this QR code in order to make the payment. So just scan the code, and after that your payment will be successful and this page will show up. And this way you will be able to buy Steam Point with your Gcash account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.